So, in order to turn a photo into cartoon using a free AI tool, you're gonna have to simply go to this website, which is called Tensor.art. So I'm gonna leave the link to this tool down in this video description. And once you create your free account, which is very easy, you can use your Google or Discord account, you're gonna have to simply click on AI tools on the left side. And then we're gonna see these AI tools. Now, what we're gonna have to do is simply look for an AI tool. So we're gonna have to simply click on portrait here. So let's see where it is. So I'm gonna search for it. So let's search for a photo to cartoon like this. And then here we're gonna have to select AI tools. Now we should have different options. So as you can see, we can turn photos to Disney styles or caricatures, and as you can see, you have a lot of options to use. So I'm gonna use this one. I'm gonna click on try, and now we're gonna have to simply upload our image. So I'm gonna do that really fast. I'm gonna use this image, and then we're gonna have to click on go. Now we're gonna have to simply wait until the AI does all the work for us. So as you can see, we're gonna have to simply wait. As you can see, the image generation is expected to take 30 seconds. And here you have some previews. So as you can see, this is how it's gonna look like. So it's almost done, and I'm gonna show you in a second how what is the result basically of that photo. So we're gonna have to simply wait until this loads up, and you can use a lot of AI tools to turn your photos into cartoon. You have different styles. As you can see now, we're using the Disney one, but if you want, you can use the other ones, which are completely free. So here we have the result. As you can see, we have our image right here. And if we want, we can simply download it to our computer. So basically that's all for today's video. I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.